Doogee V Max Pro full specifications. The device runs on Android version 14 and features a notable thickness of 26.3 millimeters, making it one of the thickest options available in its category. Weighing in at 536 grams, it is also the heaviest, which may affect portability for some users. Additionally, it incorporates a side fingerprint sensor for enhanced security and convenience, providing a modern touch to its overall design. The device features a 6.58-inch IPS display that boasts a resolution of 1080 by 2408 pixels, resulting in a pixel density of approximately 401 ppi, which is considered average for modern smartphones. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, ensuring durability against scratches and minor impacts. Additionally, it incorporates a water drop-notch design, maximizing the display area while housing the front camera, providing an immersive viewing experience suitable for various multimedia activities. The camera setup features a triple rear configuration, consisting of a 108MP primary sensor, accompanied by a 20MP and an 8MP sensor, which collectively offer a versatile photography experience. It supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, ensuring high-quality UHD footage for videographers. Additionally, the device is equipped with a 16MP front camera, perfect for capturing selfies and engaging in video calls. Overall, this camera system delivers impressive performance for both photography and videography, catering to a wide range of user needs. The device is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, featuring an octa-core processor that operates at a clock speed of 2.6 GHz, offering sufficient power for typical tasks. It comes equipped with a substantial 12 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and efficient performance. For storage, the device provides a generous 512 GB of internal memory, accommodating a vast amount of data and applications. Additionally, it includes a hybrid memory card slot, allowing for expandable storage, which can be especially beneficial for users who require more space. The connectivity options for the device include advanced 4G and 5G networks, along with voice over LTE VoLTE technology, which enhances call quality and allows for simultaneous voice and data services. Additionally, it features Bluetooth version 5.2 for improved wireless connectivity and data transfer, Wi-Fi for high-speed internet access, and NFC, near-field communication for close-range wireless transactions. The device also supports USB-C version 2.0, offering versatile charging and data transfer capabilities. The device is equipped with an impressive 22,000 mAh battery, one of the largest in its category, ensuring exceptional longevity and sustained usage. It supports 33W fast charging, allowing users to quickly recharge the battery, minimizing downtime. Additionally, the reverse charging feature enables the device to function as a power bank, providing convenience by allowing users to charge other devices on the go. This combination of a high-capacity battery and versatile charging options makes it a reliable choice for those who require extended power for their daily tasks.